In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Available Now badge on Upwork. Let's start from the very beginning so nothing is confusing. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website from the results. Once you're on Upwork, make sure you're signed into your freelancer account so you can access the settings we need. From your main workspace, go to the Find Work area. On the left-hand side of the page, look for the section labeled Promote with Ads. This panel groups together visibility tools that help you stand out to clients, and that's where the Available Now badge lives. It's easy to miss if you scroll quickly, so take a second to scan the sidebar carefully. Inside, Promote with Ads, find the card or row that says Availability Badge. This is the feature that adds the lightning bolt style indicator to your profile, signaling to clients that you're ready to take on work right now. Next to that availability badge option, click the small pencil icon. That pencil opens the editing panel where you can manage the badge settings. Here you'll see the current price to keep the badge active for a week. At the time of recording, it's 14 connects per week. Think of this as a weekly subscription paid with connects. Pricing can change over time, so don't be surprised if you see a different number. The interface will always show the up-to-date cost for your account. If you have at least the required number of connects available, simply click Turn On. Upwork will confirm the activation, and your badge will go live, making your profile more discoverable to clients who need fast responses. This is especially useful when your schedule is open, and you want to signal immediate availability without rewriting your whole profile. If you don't have enough connects, the Turn On option won't be available. In that case, the page will indicate that you're short on connects, and you won't be able to activate the badge yet. Once your connects balance meets or exceeds the required amount, come back to this same availability badge area, click the pencil icon again, and turn it on. That's all you need to do. To recap briefly, go to Upwork, navigate to Find Work, locate Promote with Ads on the left sidebar, open the availability badge using the pencil icon, check the weekly connects price, and turn it on if you meet the requirement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of your visibility on Upwork.